Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. Do comment. Now let's see. I'll pull out the cards. Oh, there's a bunch of cards which just come out. Okay, 3 cards have come, so let's go with the flow. Healing. 8 of air. It's a beautiful bird on top. Ace of air. So combination is quite good. Healing, 8 of air and ace of air. So let's see what is in store today for your day. Now coming to the first card, the healing card. Do you see there's a group of people who are there inside? So basically this is a card which actually talks that have some patience. Your body needs some rest. The rest is not happening. At the same time, you also need to heal yourself. When you have to heal yourself, you need to love yourself. More of a card where it says today you need to have self-love more importantly, and connect with yourself, connect with the nature, connect with the divine, and give yourself some time, some peace, some rest, so that you can be rejuvenated and you'll be happy. Now basically when we see the 8 of water, which is the next card, no, I think it's the 8 of air, sorry, not the 8 of water. So now when you see the 8 of air, what will it do when you do heal today? When you heal yourself or when you give yourself the rest today, you will get clarity. You will be able to see things clearly and create an awareness in you, so that you will be able to handle your issues, handle things at work, handle things at home in a beautiful way. At the same time, get the results that you desire. Let go. Maybe today I feel guided to tell you all to do a cord cutting of unwanted energies that are troubling you, because since it's saying healing, you need rest. Maybe something is troubling you, so do a cord cutting in the morning. Start your day with cord cutting and take some rest. Give some love to yourself, and I'm sure you'll get the clarity and you will be able to understand and create an awareness, because the ace of air is nothing but you will be in harmony. You will create an awareness and you will be happy that you were able to do a cord cutting and come out of the unwanted energies in your life. Today I feel the color has to be white, so wear the color white. Today also chant the Ganpati mantra, the Om Gam Ganapati Namah, so that any obstacles which are stopping you from getting the clarity, those obstacles go. If possible, pick up some sweets today, offer it to Ganpati, and you can have it with your family at the end of the day, that things were good and things were in harmony, and you are at peace and at happiness. Have a beautiful and a blessed day today. Thank you.